Hello everyone, myself Princia Fernandez from Set Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai East. Students, today we will learn our new chapter of maths, chapter number 11, subtraction by borrowing. Students, let's learn about subtraction by borrowing. For that, we have to study some prior preparation. Students, you have to understand this. It means 10 rupees means 10 coins of 1 rupees each. 10 rupees means 10 coins of 1 rupees each. And 100 rupees means 10 notes of 10 rupees each. It also means 100 coins of 1 rupees, as you can see in this picture. Observe the following picture. If there are 10 sugar canes in a bundle, then 10 such a bundles means 100 sugar cane. Total sugar cane is 100. Here Sonu say, I have 2 notes of 100 rupees and I have to give Nandu 70 rupees. Salma say, how will you do that? Sonu say, I will exchange 100 rupee notes for 10 rupees notes. Nandu say, you could give me 7 10 rupees notes from those? Salma, then Sonu will be left with 100 rupees note and 3 10 rupees note. Sonu, right, I will have 130 rupees left. Changing 100 into 100 and tens. Students, always remember 100 is equal to 10 tens. I repeated, 100 is equal to 10 tens. Students, here some examples. First is 200 is equal to 110 tens. 200 will be equal to 110 tens. You can write it like that because I told you earlier 100 is equal to 10 tens. Now second is 400 is equal to 310 tens. 400 can be written as 310 tens. Again you can untie 100 and make it 10 tens. So it will be 310 tens. Do you understand? In the same way, you have to solve 300 is equal to 210 tens. 700 is equal to 610 tens. Next is 500 is equal to 400 plus box tens. Well, after 400, remaining would be 100. And when we untie 100 is equal to 10 tens. So, you will write 10 in the box. Students, here 600 is equal to box 100 plus 10 tens. Now 10 tens means 100. It means 600 minus 100. The answer is 500. So write in the box 5. It means 600 is equal to 500 plus 10 tens. Students, please remember this following point. When we subtract, sometimes we have to untie 100 or 110. We need to untie only 110 or 100 even when there are many hundreds or tens. Can you see that in the picture? That I explained you picture. It is so interesting. 300. Let us untie 100 and make 10 tens. 300 means 210 tens. Now see the second picture. They given 200. Let us convert 100 into tens and 1 tens into units. 200 means 110 tens. It also means 109 tens and 10 units. Subtraction by untying a 10. Study the examples given below. I have 51 rupees, 5 10 rupee notes and a 1 rupee coin. I have to pay a shopkeeper 24 rupees. I cannot give 4 unit from 1 unit. So I will exchange 1 10 rupee note for 10 single rupees. Now I have 4 10 rupee notes and this 10 single rupee along with the 1 single rupee I already had makes 11 single rupees. I shall give 4 single rupees from the 11 single rupees. So, taking away 4 from 11, I will have 7 single rupees. Write this 7 under the units. Now, I will subtract the tens. Subtracting 2 tens from 4, 2 tens remain. The answer is 27. Thus, I have 27 rupees left. Students, here we solve some more subtraction problem. First is 62 minus 27. And unit column, we have 2 minus 7. And the tens column, we have 6 minus 2. If you notice the unit column, we cannot subtract 7 units from 2 units. So we will untie 1 ten from 6 tens and 6 tens will become 5 tens. While the 2 units will become 12 units. So it will be 12 minus 7, which is 5. So we will write 5 under the unit column. Now see the tens column. 5 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 3 tens. So we have 35, which means 62 minus 27 is equal to 35. The answer is 35. In the same way, we have to solve one more example, 73 minus 45. If you notice the unit column, that is 3 minus 5, 5 units cannot be subtracted from 3 units. So we will have to untie 1 ten from 7 tens. Once you do that, 7 tens become 6 tens. And now 1 tens is added 3 unit, it become 13 units. Which means 13 unit minus 5 unit, that is equal to 8 units. We write 8 in the unit column. Now we see the tens column. 6 tens minus 4 tens is equal to 2 tens, which means our answer is 28. So 73 minus 45, answer is 28. Students, in the same way you have to solve 81 minus 58 and 90 minus 69. Students, now we are going to learn subtraction by untying a 100. Nandu has 5 notes of 100 rupees, 2 notes of 10 rupees and 7 coins of 1 rupees. He gave Sonu 318 rupees. How many rupees does he have now? Students, here 8 coins cannot be given out of 7 coins. So, we have to change one of the two 10 rupee notes for 1 rupee coins. 10 rupee from the 10 rupee note and the earlier 7 rupees. So, now we will have 17 single rupees. From this 17, we give 8. There is one 10 rupee note left. We shall give that too. So, there will not be any 10 rupee note left. We can give 3 of the 500 rupee notes. Thus, Nandu will be left with 209 rupees. The answer is 209. Now subtract 545 minus 265. So 545 means 500, 4 tens and 5 units. We have to subtract 265 from that. We can subtract 5 unit from 5 unit. 0 unit remain. Now we cannot subtract 6 tens from 4 tens. But we do have 500s. We shall untie one of them. So 4 left in the 100 place. 100 gives us 10 tens. This 10 and the previous 4 make 14 tens. Take away 6 tens, 8 remains. Now we subtract 200 from 4. 200 remain. The answer is 280. Students, now we are going to practice some more subtraction. First is 507 minus 288. 8 units cannot be subtracted from 7 units. So we must untie one 10. But there is nothing in the 10 place. So we shall untie 100 and get 10 tens. When we untie one of these tens, we get 10 units. This and the first 7 units make 17 units. Subtract 8 units from them and we have 9 units left. Write them in the answer. Now there are 9 tens in the 10 place. We subtract 8 tens from them. 1 remain. Finally, 4 hundreds are left. Subtracting 2 from them, 2 hundreds remain. Write this in the answer, which is 219. Now second subtraction is 900 minus 365. Here 5 units cannot be subtracted from 0 units. So we need to untie a 10. But there is nothing in the 10 place either. So we untie 100 and obtain 10 tens. Then we untie one of these tens and obtain 10 units. From this we subtract 5 units. 5 units remain. We write this in the answer. Now we have 9 in the 10 place. Subtracting 6 tens from them, we write the remaining 3 in the answer. Then we have 800 left. Subtract 300 from them and write the remaining 5 in the answer. It is 535. Students, this video we learn changing 100 into 100 and tens, subtraction by untying a 10, then subtraction by untying a 100. So please revise this and do the practice at your home. Thank you. Stay safe.